the first day of January 2025. Time check, it's already 12:13 in the morning. Good morning and happy New Year to all of us, and take care always wherever you are from our family. Greetings from our family.
Nalito man doon, no? Mga oras doon. Hindi na nagpapatuloy. Okay, later. Ikaw mo sasabihin. Sasabihin ko ikaw. Gusto ko yan sa Miniverse. Tapos, anuhin natin. Sabihin mo bakit alaga mo fireworks.
Yeah.
Ew.
Oh, it's that. So, no, say thank you because you're saying thank you. This very bad word for me. Okay, cutie Pisces. Sister, I am Palestinian, okay? Okay. Noted.
Palestinian, di wala na akong pasok pa doon. Parang New Year ko.
Wala nga daw New Year. Sabi ni Sir Michael Jackson, hindi sila nagsiselebrate ng New Year.
Palestine, parang isang ba Israel?
Hindi ko alam saan banda yun. Happy New Year po, Ma'am Auntie Jane Mix Vlog. Good morning po. Ayan, live po tayo para sa unang araw ng 2025. Ayun. Sister, you Philippines, but you looking like Chinese. Wow. Because I'm fat. That's why I'm looking like Chinese. Yeah, this is my son. I have two sons and happily married for 1 decade. It's almost 10 years ago. Mashallah. So, God bless you and to your family, inshallah. Likewise, Sir Michael Jackson, 0.9K. God bless you too, and hoping you have a prosperous year 2025. This sure okay to wording mistake, sorry. Okay. So, if you have time, you can visit Ma'am Luzminda Aquino. She is working so hard to unlock she's 4K watch hour. She's on live every day around 8 p.m. here in the Philippines. But Ma'am Luzminda Aquino is living in America. Oh, good. Look, I'm watching Ma'am Luzminda Aquino on the laptop because I want Ma'am Luzminda Aquino to unlock her 4K watch hour to be monetized here in YouTube. That's why I'm helping Ma'am Ma'am Luzminda Aquino.